Thank you. Does it say it's recording now? Hello? Nagre-record na, please.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so it's easy. Just use Video Reader or Video Writer. These are two functions available in MATLAB. Please click the link here to show you some examples. But I'm more excited to share with you how you can classify objects live using pre-trained deep learning neural networks. So if you're going to use MATLAB offline, make sure that you have installed the add-on package, MATLAB support package for USB webcams. However, for MATLAB online, especially those who have Mac, I found out that there is no need to install the package. It automatically detects your webcam on your laptop. Okay. MATLAB allows you to load pre-trained deep learning neural network models for object identification. So these are mostly networks trained using the ImageNet database, which contains 14 million plus images that have been categorized by human observer. It is credited for contributing to the advancement of deep learning, and many research groups have shared their trained classifier models openly to our benefit. Again, for those who are not familiar with deep neural networks, this is artificial intelligence. This is machine intelligence. You can program a computer now to, if you just give it the image, not even the features, just the image itself. You can train it using convolutional filters, activation functions, and many layers of these to classify the image that you presented. So that's, in a short statement, that's what deep learning is, no? And we don't need to go dig deep. We just have to use them for now, because what we're after is applying it in video. So go on ahead and copy this. No? You might want to put a section in between these two lines here, this line here. This just opens the web camera, and this line just opens one of the really available pre-trained deep learning network. Okay, each of them may have different image sizes, so you have to indicate the image size. Where does it come in? Now here, this loop would be roughly 2 seconds. This part here takes a snapshot from your webcam. This part here resizes because you need to adapt to the input size of the deep learning network. And right away, you can classify just using this this text. Okay, and then it will put the label to classification. Let's try that, shall we? Let me share with you my other screen. Okay, desktop. Okay, let's share this. All right. So here you see the code that I just shared with you a moment ago. Now it's in sections so that we can do it separately. So let's run this section first. Run section. Okay. So right away you will see it's loading the deep learning network. It takes a moment, and you know it's done if you see some variables coming out in the web space, in the workspace. Tapos na ba? Work na ba siya? Okay, vegan. Bakit wala? Ulit. One section. Still running. Yun, there you go. And now it has uploaded, or rather in the memory, the neural network that has been pre-trained. All right, then let's run this. So get your laptop ready and run this, because this is gonna just run for 2 seconds. Okay, watch this, guys. Okay, bring your objects to the camera. Show your objects. Okay. And so you see here kung ano-ano yung mga na-classify niya, no? It may be incorrect. Some of these are incorrect, but yun yung nagawa niya so far. Did you see that, guys? So now here, because these are 120 snapshots, no? You can actually play it like a movie na. Coffee mug, range, Notion, masyadong mabilis. Over here, you can change the playback speed. So let it run slower. No? Medyo tama, coffee mug. Nipple, range, medyo mali. Potay, Lotion, mukha naman, pero Elmer's glue yan. And then, notice that you can see here, ito yung sinasabi ko, na if you have a series of pictures that are coming out in the process, you can actually export this whole thing as a video. So, no need to video write, you can just simply export that. Okay, won't you try that? Na-try nyo na? Have you tried doing it in your own, in your own computer? Would you like to? Now, ang maganda dito, if you put the section cut over here, you can just repeat this without reloading the net. I also showed here commented out are the different networks that you can try. So, kanina AlexNet. Sure, we go ahead and try GoogleNet. So Google also made their own deep learning, no, for classification. They also use ImageNet. But please note that dapat sigun doon sa size ng input ng GoogleNet. All right, so we have to run this again because I changed parameters here. So this will clear out the network information. So let's run this section, shall we? Okay, and then just wait a while for it to load, and then still busy. Ay! Oh no, restart MATLAB online. Sorry about that, guys. Kailangan mag-restart. Let me know if you are able to run this code. This is just MATLAB online. Isn't that nice? Any comments about? Stop share muna. May nag-try na ba sa inyo ngayong gawin siya? Let me know. Wala? Wala pa nag-try sa inyo? Please try it habang pinifix ko tong MATLAB online ko. Trying it now, ma'am. Wait. Okay, sige. Okay. All right, I'll try it again. Nag-load na yun ulit yung MATLAB ko. But this time, I'm gonna use another network. Let me share my screen first. Desktop 2. All right. Okay, again. Confirm, please, that you're seeing my screen. I think
Yes
you
po,
are.
ma'am.
Okay, I have a link in that document on the pre-trained deep neural networks. Have a look here, guys. Ang daming available na pwede natin gawin. Even in Python, I believe, na nagkukuha niya rin to. Okay? So pre-trained deep neural networks. I'm just gonna go down here and show you kung ano-ano yan. Okay? And have a look here. Ito yung mga pangalan ng iba't ibang networks. In their description, you can go ahead and click any of these and then you can get to the description. Note here yung sizes, dun sa bandang rightmost column is the size, right? So convolutional neural network, 53 layers deep, pre-trained on more than 1 million images in the ImageNet database, can classify up to 1,000 object categories such as keyboard, mouse, pencil, and many animals. Okay, meron pang network dito na trained on scenery. Yeah. Isn't that nice? Okay. So again, as I was saying, look, you may need to change the input size kasi ganun ang convolutional neural network. Kahit malaki yung image mo, pero ang input niya fixed, no? So you have to resize all the snapshots accordingly. Depende dun sa network na kinuha mo, guys. Okay? All right. Now, going back to, saan na siya? Let's run it again. This time, let's try GoogleNet. Okay, kaya yung Google. I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna uncomment. And please remember to put the appropriate image size here. So let's run this. Run section. Okay. Millions ang parameters niya, guys. Kaya it takes a while to load the network. Okay. And ito na ba siya? Tao po, ito na ba siya? Uy. Hindi na siya gumagalaw. Pero, wala sa workspace. Ano yan? Nanuli kaya natin. Dapat lumabas siya dito eh. Tao po. Section. Yun. Yun na siya. Okay, my camera is now live, but I'm not showing a preview. Of course, you can do this. If you want to preview, hello. Okay. And so camera is live, and now let's try this. And again, I'm gonna flash objects in front of it. Let's see if it works. Run section. I have a mobile phone. I have a coffee mug. I have toilet tissue. Keys. All right, let's see if it works. Run ba? Yun. Size. It's not always perfect, as you can see. It is what it is. Isa lang yan. Kayo ba? Kumusta? Napagana niyo na? Chat. Not sure if sa akin lang po, pero choppy po ang audio. Okay, lab code. Choppy? Hello? Choppy pa rin ba?
Hindi na. Feeling ko, ma'am, kasi trinay ko i-open yung MATLAB na offline ko. Tapos doon siya nag-phone, doon siya naging choppy. So I think, yun yun.
Okay.
So, pinose ko na lang.
Okay, I'm so sorry about that. I think we should stop Zoom and wala dito yung yung several images. I'm disappointed. But anyway, you can try it out. Sige, let's just go back to the document kasi let me explain what I expected to do. Let's go back to the pages. Okay, so now you try this. Very simple, right? And it even works online. So it's very minimal resource intensive kasi online mo siya gagamitin. So here's the challenge, no? Modify the code above to allow object identification in a saved video file. So you take a video, say using your smartphone, and just upload it to MATLAB. So figure out how you will modify this such that instead of live feeding from the webcam, you will open a video file, and then frame per frame, you will have it classify whatever it sees in the video, okay? Also, try out, there are so many, as you have seen in the list there are many deep learning neural networks available, right? So try it out, see which one works well with your video. Now, these are, you can either use 3 or 4, but these are the bonus worthy points, no? Now, for those Python enthusiasts, figure out equivalent video processing tools in Python. I'm pretty sure, because deep learning in Python is also very mature, I'm pretty sure you might find equivalent in Python. Another bonus worthy thing that you can try is what I've been trying to do, investigate contributed deep learning neural network for action detection. So instead of me figuring this out, why not help me figure this out? There are some deep learning neural networks for action detection. You just have to find it. And some are in the examples in the MATLAB documentation. But you have to make it work in your application, okay? Right, demonstrate that you are able to make it work. Okay, that's it. So I hope you enjoy this activity. No need to deep dive into deep learning neural network. Just remember, please, these are pre-trained models that, given an image, will allow you to I will identify what is in the image. Okay. Okay. All right. Any questions about the video processing activity? Sino nang nakapagpagana nito? Any success there? Jem, ikaw, pagana mo na sa inyong, sa iyong laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
Nag-work naman? It's
Yes.
not always perfect, pero minsan nakuha niya like coffee mug.
Puro syringe and binoculars.
What? Okay. So stop share here. I hope you enjoy. Ma'am, yung mga classifiers ba marunong under low light? Na-try namin yan, Marco. Yeah. Somewhat. Kasi ang ginagawa ng deep learning nag-rescale rin naman siya sa mga inputs. So not extremely low light to the point na noise na yung nakikita mo, but we have tried it on a few objects. Thesis ng student ko. Nakukuha pa rin somehow. Okay? Again, re-rescale niya yan namin. Pagbasok sa input, may rescale pa rin nagaganap dun sa intensity levels. Ay ma'am, ano po uli yung 120 sa for loop? Wala lang. Kung just the 120 snapshots lang yan. You can make it longer. You can make it shorter. You can change it with a while loop, di ba? Instead na for, you can make it go forever using a while condition end loop, right? Okay. Ano pa yung mga tanong? Ayaw niya sa Safari, dapat Google Chrome. Oo, ang gamit ko nga Microsoft Edge. May mga limitations pa rin, yung mga tiga-Mac dyan, napansin ko sa Safari, maraming limitations. So, ang nag-work sa akin Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Yeah, tama, Louie. Google Chrome ang gamit din ni Louie. Microsoft Edge works as well. Okay, nag-install ako ng Microsoft Edge sa sa Mac ko kasi mas gusto ko siya. Okay. Ano pa yung mga tanong niya? I haven't tried it po sa local installation. Again, pag local installation, make sure that you have MATLAB USB plug-in. Okay, cool? Ayos ba? Saya yan. Okay, so bonus points to the one who can figure out how to do scene detection or action recognition using pre-trained deep learning neural network contributed. Okay, right? So questions, please. Going once, going twice. Okay, yeah, gone. Sige, that's it for today. And next meeting, we will start our modules on 3D imaging. Okay. Right. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you very much for coming, and I'll see you again next meeting. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.